What is it?
BB gun.
What do you do with those?
What is it, Tubbies? Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Come here. Oh, please don't walk around the knife. He's got it. What is it, Tubbies?
It's a gun.
It's a Red Ryder BB gun, just like in the movie.
Which red one?
And what do you do with it?
You shoot.
Oh my goodness.
It looks like you shoot animals with
You
it.
can shoot targets or animals like Bad Cat or Stinky Vampire.
You shoot animals with it? Oh.
Okay, Bubba, go stand next to brother.
What are you gonna shoot first?
I'm gonna shoot.
How about the bad kitty cat that walks around here?
Yeah. I'm not shooting a cat. I
Okay,
am.
Bubba, come here, look at me.
What are you gonna shoot?
I'm gonna shoot metal.
Metal?
I don't know. You gotta shoot try out.
Okay, we're gonna send this
Simon,
video.
don't shoot metal.
Okay, look at Daddy. Go stand next to Daddy. Or go stand next to each other. And turn to Daddy.
Can you send a thank you and hugs and kisses to Grandma and Grandpa? Say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you.